First step, text editing. Open the doc or Word file where the text is located. Select all the text. Choose your font. I currently choose eBook. After that, select alignment and then line exclusion because of the aesthetics. Select main title, then style and title. After that, stylish eBook, bold and center align. The name of the author of the book can also be placed under the title. Select Preface, again styles and Title 1. Font, eBook, bold. The introduction can also come, just put it in the middle now. Select the subheading style and select the second heading, font eBook, and finally bold. There may be some adjustment, then do the settings with all the subtitles. We are done with editing. It looks pretty good like this. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to kick off an exciting series that's been buzzing in the world of digital publishing and artificial intelligence, how to write ebooks with ChatGPT. If you've ever dreamed of becoming an author or are looking to streamline your ebook creation process, you're in the right place. In this series, I'm going to explore the revolutionary approach to writing ebooks using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that's changing the game for writers and content creators like us. Writing ebooks can be a daunting task, from brainstorming ideas to drafting and editing. However, with the advent of AI technologies like ChatGPT, the process has become more accessible and efficient. Whether I'm a seasoned writer or a newcomer to the scene, how to write ebooks with ChatGPT will provide me with valuable insights and step-by-step guidance on leveraging this AI to craft compelling, high-quality ebooks. Throughout this series, I'll cover everything you need to know about writing ebooks with ChatGPT, from setting up my AI writing assistant to generating content that captivates our audience. I'll also share my tips and tricks on optimizing the writing process, ensuring that our ebooks stand out in a crowded digital landscape. So why use ChatGPT for writing ebooks? The answer is simple. ChatGPT offers unparalleled efficiency, creativity, and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to publish ebooks quickly and with high quality. By the end of this series, How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT, I'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to harness the power of AI in my writing endeavors. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest videos in this series. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the potential of writing ebooks with ChatGPT. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how to write ebooks with ChatGPT and discover how we can transform our writing process and achieve our publishing goals with ease.